Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Nee Doh Dumpling Surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Nee Doh Dumpling Surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to give it another fold so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with our Nee Doh Dumpling Surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the top of the box. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to bring this over and down to here. Next, I'm just going to draw a little line across. Then on the top, I'm just going to make a little sad face. Now, for the bottom, let's draw a line that's going to come down here. And then let's draw another line that's going to come down here. Then let's just make a nice line that's just going to curve down and then back up for the bottom of our little box. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now when we open this up, we have two halves of our little box. Let's start up here at the top. I'm going to begin by drawing this line down, and then I'm going to draw this line down too. Then I'm just going to make a nice curve shape that's just going to go down and up. Then right here, I'm going to make another curve shape that's just going to come across here. Then let's do one more little curve shape right here to kind of make the box look 3D. Now right here for the bottom, let's begin by making this line come up. And then we're going to make this line come up. Then let's just draw a line that's going to curve up and down. Now, to make our little Nee Doh dumpling, let's begin with the top. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps. Then let's curve a little line out here, and then let's curve a little line out here. Next, we're just going to curve this line around and bring it back up to here. Now for the face, let's begin by making a little circle shape, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a tiny bit white. We'll do the same thing over here. Let's just make a little circle shape. We'll color in most, leaving just a tiny bit white. Then we're just going to make a little smiley face shape. Then right here across the top of the box, let's just make a little line for some detail. Then I just like to make 2 little lines right here for some extra detail on our little Nee Doh dumpling. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Nee Doh Dumpling Surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we have our little box, and then when we open it, we've got our Nee Doh dumpling jumping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.